There's your race car driver costume.
Yeah. And then my voice I outfit.
Oh, you look great, Jory.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do race car drivers do?
I was race.
They race?
Yeah.
Well, let's see ya.
Wait. They have IL.
Oh, yeah?
They have IL.
They have fire, too?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I bit off my mask. I bit off my mask. I bit off it.
Your helmet?
Yeah.
You took it off. You can put it on again.
Then.
You like it?
Yeah.
Awesome, Jory. You look fabulous.
And then so that's my us.
When he gets up, okay? Wait till he gets up, okay?
Yes. Up.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait. I bit on my mask. I bit on my mask.
You took off your mask.
Yeah. Hey, what? He's wearing. Ew.
Yes?
Yeah.
Cool.
And it is on the tag.
Yeah, the kid is on the tag.
Yeah, and he's wearing the eye of ew.
He sure is.
Yeah.
All right,
Like I'm wearing this ew.
just like you.
Yeah.
You want to wave bye to Gramster?